I'm Victoria Bowers. I'm a makeup artist and a co-founder of Kit Ritual, and welcome to our Kickstarter campaign. We are going to be bringing you a new single palette case and a new multi-well insert. This new single case is going to come with a new insert that has 6 individual wells with 2 that are larger for more used products. And it can be used for a full face palette, mixing palette, or even a client giveaway. But I am sure you're going to find even more innovative ways to use it, just like you did with our palette so far. This case is fully customizable and modular, just like our larger 3-well one. It is designed to take all of our inserts, so it gives you opportunity to interchange them and customize them the way you like to just create a more seamless system. We are so grateful to all of our fellow makeup artists and our community for loving and using our palette so far. It is our pride and joy to see it in your kits on Instagram and Facebook and all of the socials, as well in the real life. Thank you so much for being part of our Kickstarter. As a small business, as somebody who has dreamed up these products from our need and imagination and the love for our community, we will once again need help from our community to make this come true and bring this beautiful palette into your kit. So please share, donate, be part of this campaign and spread the word. I really appreciate you and I love you so much.